Oh my God, this comment is so funny because I surprisingly get this question a lot. I feel like I should be. I should be his spokesperson, like at this point, because I still get people like asking me about his meditations and asking me for links to his meditations. I'm like, I need to be an affiliate of Dr. Joe because people are going on this journey because they found my video. But anyway, all jokes aside, I'm not his spokesperson. I'm just somebody who went on a journey to like do his meditations, to rewire my subconscious beliefs, to change my mindset. And I am such a millennial that I have to share my journey. Like, this is such a millennial and Gen Z thing to do, right? Like, you go through like a life experience and you're like, I'm just gonna whip my phone out and cry in front of my camera and like tell everybody what I'm feeling. So, to answer your question, I am not his spokesperson. But Dr. Joe team, if you're watching this, I want to be your spokesperson. And I want you to pay me for spreading Dr. Joe's meditations. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I be his spokesperson? Because I'm doing a good job. I'm doing a great job, actually.